Please remember to like, comment and subscribe to the Waijiaoyi channel, where we will be updating our videos weekly. Sincerely, Teacher Kirsten. So step 1, invest in a good bag. When buying a bag, consider the dimensions, size and the features. I prefer modern backpacks to traditional suitcases and front-loading bags to top-loaders, as both are easier to work with. Now I have the Osprey 60-litre Sojourn over here. It is quite big. You can always opt out for a smaller one or a bigger one, depends on you. But I prefer this bag because it actually has wheels, so you don't want to lug around a backpack on your back the whole time, so you have the wheel option as well. Now I'm not the biggest fan of the interior, not a big fan of bright green, but it does help to if you are packing in the evening and you can actually see better. Now it has a lot of compartments to put in your shoes, any tiny things, but like I mentioned, it's a 60-litre, it is quite large, so it's amazing. Now with the Osprey Sojourn, it actually converts into a backpack, as you can see here. I also have a day bag which I travel with. It is great for a carry-on. It's great to put your camera, your laptop and all your other valuables while you are traveling around. Bring only the necessities. So this is just the way I pack. I don't have a bunch of stuff because I am constantly on the go. What I am about to show you is basically all that I own. A black blazer, rain jacket, jersey, 3 types of basic t-shirts, 2 types of button-up shirts, a long dress, a short dress, 4 pairs of pants, I love pants, shorts, activewear, wide brim hat for sun protection or if you're having a bad hair day, winter beanie, I haven't worn this in 2 years, towel, scarf, and then 4 pairs of shoes. So I've got a pair of sandals, running shoes, casual sneakers, and ankle boots if you're feeling fancy. So this is my toiletry bag. I'm not going to go in depth with that, but always keep in mind, only get the basics. And also if you can't fit it all in, remember you can always buy new toiletries. So this is everything I put into my carry-on backpack while I'm traveling. So it's not a lot, I can fit a lot more in, but these are the basics that I tend to travel with and also my most valuable items. So I travel with them on me the whole time to make sure that they are safe and nothing happens to them. So this is step 3 and the final step, and that is how to pack. So I prefer to roll up my clothes instead of folding them. A lot of travelers have the packing cubes, which I don't have at the moment. It's definitely an investment worth making and I will definitely get a few in the future. So enjoy my little packing tutorial.
my god, I love this. It's so button. Oh my god. You can edit this option.
How not to pack.